Hello friends, good morning. So we move to next week gold update. So I'm open the gold chart and check the monthly chart. So last month March market moved to aggressive buy, long buy, and also this month April moved to long buy. So market only move buy side only. So because of the Trump news and tax newses. So first I am check the all-time high prices. Okay, this is a all-time price. Second, I mentioned monthly low price. Okay, and also I mentioned previous month close price. So I mentioned monthly close. Okay, so approximately 3128 something. I mentioned 3130. Second thing, I moved to weekly chart. So last week market closed red color candle and downside because of the NFE news. After market moved to little bit down, and this week market again moved to buy side. So also I mentioned same ideas. Previous weekly zone, I mentioned this is the previous weekly zone. So I mentioned weekly zone. So if you need, also mention price 3021. So I mentioned 3020. So also I mentioned 3020. This is a good zone. In future, market break out this zone, market move to first this zone, and market move to downside in future. Okay, so this is a weekly chart. So I am changing the color, blue color. Okay, so second, also I mentioned last week high price. Okay, if you need, also mention this price 67. So approximately I mentioned 3168 or something. 3170 is best, so I mentioned 70. Okay, so if you need, also mention 3170. Okay, so monthly chart done, weekly chart. Okay, so next I move to intraday update. So intraday update, we have a confirmation in doji Tuesday market, and after market moved to bullish. So CPI also low interest rate, so market moved to again gold side is market moved to buy side. So this is a planning. Okay, so also I mentioned day close price. Okay, so also I mentioned day close prices, so differ little bit different. 3177, I mentioned 3178 something. Okay, so also I mentioned day open price. Okay, so this is a main all-time high price. Second thing, I move to short time 4-hour chart. So first we check the trend line. Okay, so almost we have a trend line, small trend line. So I mentioned like this. Okay, this is a good trend line, so I'm connect this one only. So change little bit. Okay, so this is a good trend line. In case market break the trend line, again market come to this zone. Okay, so please follow the trend line. So next we check the key zones. Okay, first I am check the Fibonacci tools and low price and high price, and 50% is 3100 something. So I am also mentioned key zone. Okay, 3100 is best key zone. Okay, key zone 3100. And second key zone also I mentioned all-time high and this low price. Okay, so 50% 3178 something, so best zone is 3180 is best. Okay, 3180. So I mentioned key zone 2. Okay, so this is our planning ideas. Okay, so next I mentioned buy and sell ideas. So I have changed the intraday, so no need. Okay, so I mentioned the 4-hour chart. Okay, so first of all, this is a all-time high. In future market, Monday market again come to this area. This is a support or demand zone. Market come to again move to buy side. So this is a first plan. So this is a first buy idea. So I mentioned this is weekly high prices and second key zone prices zone. So in case market come to this area and support, again market move to buy side. Okay, so in case market break the weekly high price, last week high price, and key zone below again this area, again market come to weekly zone prices, key zone prices. Okay, 3100 zone. So this is a sell idea below key zone and target is main key zone. So this is a second sell idea. This is buy idea and sell idea. In case in future 3100 below mark, if breakout, again market move to long sell idea. Okay, so main thing, we have a no supply zone. So after supply, good supply, we will try to sell. So now market is trend is bull. So okay, so this is the first idea A. If not, this is a B. This is a C idea. Okay, I mentioned 3 ideas. Suppose in case market come to this area, this is maybe this is good support or good demand zone, again market move to aggressive buy. So we have a, this is also buy zone. So I have mentioned all ideas, all prices and all details, and we have a next week we have a news, some news. Okay, first Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday we have a retail sales. And also we have Fed speech. Okay, and Thursday we have unemployment. Sorry, Thursday we have a unemployment. And Friday market holiday. Okay, so Friday is bank holiday, so Good Friday. Okay, so please also mention your chart. So Friday and Monday also holidays, big holiday. Yeah, Monday. Okay, Friday good. Friday also Monday. So Next week we have no big news, so Wednesday and Thursday is main news, and also Friday is Good Friday. So also Friday and Monday also bank holidays, lot of bank holidays. So that time better skip better. Okay, don't try big lots that time. Okay, so this is we have ideas so for next week, and please follow our live sections also. And thank you so much. Happy weekend.